Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to transfer your Robux to another account. First, you want to go and open your account, then go to the Creator Hub, then go and click on Curations. After you click on Curations, go to Experiences, then go and choose this option right here on the right side. Then you want to go and click on Monetization and click on Overview. Then you want to go and click on Passes. Then you want to click on Create a Pass. After that, you want to type here the name of the pass that you actually need. Then you want to click on Create Pass down below. And now you will have to give it a name. Now scroll down, go to passes, then scroll down, then choose the pass that you have actually created, which is this one right here. After you choose it, you will now have to click on the sales menu. Then you want to go and click on item for sale, toggle this on, then click on save changes and type here the default price that you actually want. I will type 100, then click on save changes, then click on proceed. After that, you want to go and open the other account that you want to transfer the Robux to. Then you want to go and have the old account in your friends. Then you want to go and click on it. Then you want to go and click on create. Then you want to go and click on experiences. Click on this option right here. Click on this area. Then you want to go and buy the pass that you have actually created. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.